Hawks family, I've got a deal for you that you're not going to want to miss. We've got a James Baroud Evasion 4-corner pop-up tent on our scratch and dent sale. Chris and I are going to show you just how easy it is to open this tent. We've got 4 latches around the sides, and all you need to do is undo the latches. Just like that, your tent is ready to go. Once inside, and you're ready to go. James Baroud is our highest quality tent. We use material from convertible cars for the sides of their tent, so you'll never have to worry about debris or weather getting to you inside of your tent. If you come around this side, you'll see that you have optional entries on either side, and once you climb inside, you'll find the James Baroud 3-inch high-density foam mattress, standard solar-powered exhaust fan, and James Baroud flashlight with adjustable modes. One of the bigger features about these Barouds is the 360-degree panoramic windows so that you won't miss a view from in your tent.